Now this is question number 2a. We are asked to factorize the expression completely. You are given 5h squared negative 12hg. Find out the quantities which are common. Only h is occurring on both the quantities. So you take that h out, you get 5 times h negative 12 times g. So this is the factored form. So let's move on to the next question. Now we have to factorize 2 times x squared negative x negative 6. Now we take it equal to 0 and then use quadratic formula. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to negative 1 and c is equal to negative 6. The formula is negative b plus or minus square root of b squared negative 4ac divided by 2 times a. So negative of negative 1 plus or minus negative 1 squared negative 4 times a times c is negative 6 divided by 2 times of a is 2. This is 1 plus or minus root of 1. Negative negative positive, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 6 is 48 divided by 2 times 2 is 4. 1 plus or minus 1 added with 48 will give me 49 divided by 4. Square root of 49 is 7. So you have two roots. 1 positive 7 is equal to 8 over 4. 4 divides here 2 times. So 2 is a root. The other side is 1 negative 7 divided by 4, which is negative 6 over 4. 2 divides here 3 times, 2 divides here 2 times, so negative 3 over 2. So x is equal to 2 is a root, which means x negative 2 is a factor. X is equal to negative 3 over 2 is a root, which means 2 times x is equal to negative 3, which in turn means 2x positive 3 is a factor. So this means 2 times x squared negative x negative 6 is in return in factored form in factored form as x negative 2 times 2x positive 3. So this is the solution to this question. So this is the next question. We are asked to solve r positive 3 is equal to 3 times of r negative 5. This is b. Now you distribute this 3. So 3 times r is 3r. 3 times 5 is 15. And next you move the r to this side and move the negative 15 to the left. So this is going to be 3 positive 15 is equal to 3r negative r, which is going to give me 2r. 3 added with 15 will give me 18. So this can be rewritten as 2r is equal to 18. You divide by 2 both sides. 2 gets cancelled. 2 divides 18 9 times. So r is equal to 9. So that is the solution to this question. And this is the next question. We are asked to make k the subject of the formula. So we have 2 times a is equal to pi k squared positive 3 times t. This is what we've got. Now move everything to the other side. So it's going to be 2a negative 3t is equal to pi times k squared. I push this pi down, so this means you can first rewrite this as pi times k squared is equal to 2a negative 3t. Next you push the pi down, so this is going to be k squared is equal to 2a negative 3t divided by pi. Next you take square root both sides. So when you take square root both sides, what do you get? You get root of k squared is equal to root of 2 times a negative 3t divided by pi. Root of k squared is k, so this is going to be square root of 2a negative 3t divided by root of pi. So this is the solution to this question. So this is D. A farmer plants 2 crops potatoes and corn on a 10-hectare piece of land. The number of hectares of corn planted as C must be at least twice the number of hectares of potatoes. So we have to write two inequalities. Okay, so C should be at least twice. So this is the first inequality. Now for the second inequality, see, this is a 10-hectare. Okay, 10-hectare plot. You have got corn and you have got potatoes. So the amount of corn planted and potatoes planted, you cannot exceed 10 hectares. Okay, so this should be your second inequality. The amount of crop in C of type C added with type P, the crop type P, should always be lesser than equal to 10. Okay, so that is your second inequality.